turn right onto Bank Place.
So I was just about to leave Port Maddock and head to Abersock, but it's getting on a bit, and my uncle.
Head northwest on High Street, A497 towards Chapel Street.
My uncle-in-law's brother has just messaged me on Instagram saying he's at Black Rock in his van, so I'm gonna go and see him and his wife. Unfortunately, just missed sunset. You know when you have one of those days planned, a nice chilled day, productive yet chilled? Well, I had one of those days planned for today. I was going to be chilling here, bit of editing, a few pictures for Instagram, but we have a bit of a problem. I was watching a film in bed last night with Poe. Film finished, went to get into bed, and it was all wet. And like, she doesn't wee in the van at all ever, but for some reason she kind of just wet herself in her sleep. A big wee right on the bed. So today I'm gonna have to wash all the sheets and everything else and try and get them dry. Now I know normally washing some sheets isn't really a big mission, but obviously I don't have a washing machine. I don't mind washing stuff by hand, but I've got limited water. I think I should have enough, but I really don't want to run out of water halfway through. And then of course there's the issue of drying it out in that grey Welsh sky today. Are you pissy pants? Oh, wash, just need to rinse it off, but how's the water looking? Oh, it's getting low. You're not doing a wee there, are you? Pissy pants? There's a bit of a little bit soapy still. I don't know. And I tell you what, I hope the sun comes out. Good haul that, Poe. Dolphins.
See them.
So that's it, guys. Generally an unproductive day, although I suppose my bed sheets could have done with washing anyway, to be honest. But this is taking me a while to get to Abersock. I should be there by now. There's just so many nice places to be staying along this coast. This beach is awesome though. I never knew you could park in here all night free. There can't be many places like that left in the country. Everybody seems to respect it loads. There's no rubbish left anywhere. So it's nice, good place. My pissy pants.